6:53 and we just made it. We're considerably early, but you know, the parking lot fills up really quick, so we wanted to make sure that we got here before it did, and I wanted to get some shots of people rolling in, so we're gonna do that right now. The VQ community looking fresh. Damn, Z32 squad pulled up. 5 deep. Alright, man. Okay. Look at the flake on this 34, man. Wow. This is a beauty. But check out this Skyline though. Check out this 280Z, man. I want one of those. Look at this line of BMWs. This one right here is actually my favorite. Super clean interior, man. Many Mustang Shelbys, man. These dudes pulled up like 15 deep, bro. This is one of the first modded Mazdas I've ever seen at a meet besides my own. Wow. Okay. Dude, this RX-7 is goals, bro. Wow. the headlights on this Evo. Pretty clean. Matches the wheels. Orange on an R8, I haven't seen that ever, but this is pretty clean. This dude just downloaded the DLC for Call of Duty. Yo, Dominic Toretto came up, bro. Dom.
Wait, did you see what he looks like? The guy inside.
Hey, Freshkicks. Freshkicks, what's up? Always love an S15, man. I think this one comes often. Sheesh. Wow. I think those are CE 28s, but I'm not sure. We found where all the supercars are at. Just feast your eyes, man. Wow. Bro, this R8, and then there's a kid in there, he's over it, man. He has his feet on the dash. That's crazy. Tell me how much money that would be to have a setup like this, man. Bro, no way, he has a freaking remote control car of his car. It's right there, and then it's also right here. We got a whole cosplayer right here, man. Hey, I respect it though. That's a hustle. I don't really like i8s, but this one I'll make an exception for. This thing is slammed. It's a wide body ND next to a yellow RX-7. Pretty clean. Someone just aired out in the background. SI gang came out strong, bro. This NSX looks like it's inspired by a track build, or it is tracked, I'm not sure, but you can just check it out right here. This is a Scuderia, super clean. Rear engine, obviously. Oh, this is too clean, man. Really liked the color, but the highlighter part's kind of weird. Look at this Halloween themed Camaro SS. This is so clean, man. Oh my god, and the interior, mint. Freshkick's car and Finding Nick's car. These two have been hanging out a lot recently because I've been watching them in the videos. Both inspirations. I really like the purple wrap on this Evo. Got this GT3 RS dipping. But look at it. It just stands out. Cut rear bumper and mismatched wheels. I'm actually digging it. Wow. Under the chase, it's hilarious. All these cars under here. This Subaru is really clean. Love the fitment on it. Got the Z32 line right here. Saw this yellow Ferrari 430 come in earlier, but it's parked so I can get a closer look. This color is stunning. Oh wow. Yellow and red. Great combination. Dominic Toretto! Yeah! This is too hilarious. Dominic Toretto, man. Got some clean Hondas on the side over here. EK. think that's another EK in front, and then there's an S2000. Wow, it's textured too. All right, gotta go to this section because there's a lot going on. Looks like people are starting to leave now, so I think we're gonna leave soon too. Exotic boys are leaving. Bye-bye BMWs. They rolled really deep, man, because this whole line is leaving. Goals for sure, man. Dude, this G got pulled over, bro. The feds got him. RIP. Just leaving the meet. It was a great turnout like always. We stayed here about 3 hours, so it was a good amount of time. But make sure to check out the Instagram at Cars and Coffee's Diamond Bar, and can't wait for the next one. See you guys in the next upload.